You see my gender. You see women. When it comes to their brother, when it comes to their son, they are very, very protective. But when it comes to another person, they need to reason those ones. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the VI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. On this particular episode of Palava, you know what happen? One Bini babe won't marry somebody's brother. This one say no, you know go happen. Say the girl na single mother. Say no, be they say it's okay to marry single mother. Now single mother don't come. In no one makes single mother marrying brother. Anyway, I don't need to say much. Watch this video and see for yourself. Waiting happen, then we talk. Watch.
I carry my brother come Europe, make him know himself. I don't carry come Europe, make him go settle down with woman wey don born for 2 men.
That will make you call me.
I say I want see you. Yes, my sister. If una date on relationship, una can date on relationship, but don't think say you want settle down. I don't want me you. I know
marriage when you are on a family.
I don't want me you walk out on me. May we talk woman to woman.
You see that marriage when I don't want make it work when I want to your family.
Yes, yes.
You go work.
How?
You go do the marriage for.
What did make you come out for your former marriage? What did make you come out? I don't call Europe come also. Now my husband carry me come Europe.
Marriage not let me do. I don't go come out.
How? How? Because you see say get money.
Yeah, your brother will go marry.
Because you see say family they okay. A single,
follow me.
Yes, you say you be content creator, you be this, you be that. Our matter go enter social media. You don't tell away family, don't tell this matter. Say leave this boy. You say you don't let her go anywhere. Woman will be say you don't born for 2 father. 2 children, 2 papa. What did they call do for my house?
I tell you.
I don't know if I just settle down.
I don't want to make that marriage happen. It go happen for now.
How? Is it by force?
Your family, I don't want to make that boy marry me. You go marry me.
For their not say family. What did they take out but get they do?
Rest is night they do on.
What did they take out but get they do? What did they take out but get they do? Now this kind of get where Nash way grab like this, will be like this. Now my brother wants to settle down. What did what take out do? Get way not responsible. You want to settle down with man, you they can't go club. They're gonna do the show your breast up and down. You which kind of responsible is responsible? When you naked yourself on social media. How?
They do resist.
All my sisters they was my house, so all my brothers they married their wife.
Now I was married.
What did pursue you?
Marriage not sweet me, I come on.
What did the man do you? The man not satisfy you. You go back to your ex-husband.
Me and your brother we go marry. Go
how? Single mom. Single mom.
Yes.
What did pursue you for your husband's house?
I'm proud to be a single mom.
Now my younger brother we never married before.
What your brother when they talk say now because of your brother property make me follow. What your brother gets? What did he get?
My brother is going to Nigeria to go and get a virgin. He will go to Nigeria. Now my mama I be that. Now my mama I be that. What Agbo get? Agbo, when you wait the drive machine up and down for social media. What do you want to do? Height, you don't get. See the way you be, see the way you grab English, not them mouth. You're not responsible. You say you want to come married, I mean the man senior sister. See the way you tell they talk to me. Single mother who can't so. Now that one make me bring my brother come abroad. You know what you are saying? Eh? I beg my sister, I don't tell you. Tell her what you want tell her, Mo. Tell her what you want tell her. This relationship is not going anywhere.
You don't see the argument. So now, this one they say single mother of 2. Mother of 2. The English word is mother of 2 children. So the brother wants to marry this other lady that is with 2 children. The sister say no. A brother can never marry somebody that already born 2. Say the woman he born for one person or the other. Mother, let me tell you something. Your brother wants to marry who gives him peace. Your brother wants to marry who will make a home. Okay? The woman say if they collect money, if they borrow money, say a brother he must marry him. Now so quarrel they start to. So who is to blame now? You see my gender? When it comes to our own, when it comes to my brother, when it comes to my son, when it comes to my brother, if he be in distant brother, cause when it comes to him brother, say him brother cannot marry a single mother of 2. But if it's another person, if it's a whole total, if not a boyfriend, you go no say, go protect. Women are overly protective when it comes to their own. They say woman, now be woman problem. Woman na woman problem. It's all these things where they say man, now do man, now woman, now they do woman. You can imagine. If they borrow money, when they do all these things, no say he go marry. He say na relationship things. So you where they borrow, they go leave you. No they borrow till they finish say he they marry. Now the cocoa they say somebody that is that has given birth to 2 children doesn't mean that the person will not marry again if he's single. If he's a single person, okay, maybe the person single they waka they go. make you not do anything, make you just single they go. You go to train the children they go. But the guy feel marry, but the woman no feel marry because he be single mother of 2. This one they should say, look at him, look at her. You see why they yab this one is they tell him say, see yeah, she has a leg beat the other one. See why they abuse this one. They yap this woman, the single mother of 2, because how the leg be. Madam with the yap person, we never see him in video. But anyway, when it comes to your brother, you don't want your brother to marry. See, once the other one and the other one join, now, you cannot separate it because the man where they go follow him, they give him peace, if they give him joy, if they give him happiness, he won't follow him. You want to do Jericho, wall of Jericho for person and 2 persons where they knock. I don't get it. The guy no say you know one marry. Now you go come they worry person. People wait don't hustle go Europe. You see one stand in between 2 people where they knock. They know they knock you. You now sister you be. You want to spoil person business. This one because now your brother. If they protect person, the brother says no call you make you come protect him. He say he must marry him. Now the things. Oh no man now nobody go say he's a single father of 4 or he's a single father of 3. He can marry. But if he's a single mother of 2, wahala don't start. Women, now be woman problem. That's what I'm saying. Anyway, however you feel, put it on the comment section. If you like the guy, madam, go. If you don't like, no. Anyway, put it on the comment section. I'll be there. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm your girl Bella. Peace out.